Inviting with imperatives. Make your English invitations more natural. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to dive into the interesting world of imperative sentences. We've been exploring different types of imperative sentences, and today, our focus is on invitations. So, get ready to polish your English and make your invitations sound more natural and engaging. To understand how to use imperative sentences for invitations, let's recap what an imperative sentence is. In English grammar, an imperative sentence gives a direct command, makes a request, or offers advice. It usually omits the subject and begins with the base form of a verb. For example, close the door, or, please, sit down. Now, when it comes to invitations, we can also use imperative sentences to invite someone to do something in a casual, friendly manner. In these cases, our commands, or orders, become cordial invitations. For instance, join us for dinner tonight, or come to my birthday party. While imperatives can sometimes sound a little harsh or too direct, there are ways to make your imperative invitations sound polite and friendly. You can use modifying words like please, do, why don't you, or let's. For instance, do join us for a movie, or please, come to our meeting tomorrow. Let's look at some examples. 1. Come to my house for a study session tomorrow. 2. Have a piece of cake. 3. Please, be my guest at the conference. 4. Let's go to the park this weekend. In all these sentences, we are inviting people to do something, and the tone is casual and friendly. That's it for today's lesson. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding how imperative sentences can be used to make invitations in English. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, start using these structures in your daily conversations, and see how your English communication skills improve. Until next time, happy learning!